Manipur Politics Quiz. Can you score 100? How well do you know Manipur politics? Test yourself with these questions, and see if you can score a perfect 100. As Manipur moves toward its next assembly election, which year is widely expected for the polls? The options are A. 2026, B. 2027, C. 2028, D. 2029. The correct answer is 2027. Explanation. With an elected government restored in early 2026, political attention is now turning toward the Manipur Assembly elections expected in 2027. Protests in which district erupted over the appointment of non-Muslims to the Waqf board, angering Manipur's Pangal community? The options are A. Bishnupur, B. Thoibal, C. Churchandpur, D. Ukhrul. The correct answer is Thoibal. Explanation. Members of the Muslim community, known as Pangals, protested in the Thoibal district, prompting the Chief Minister to examine their concerns. Which organization restricted goods trucks and commercial vehicles in Naga areas of Manipur, citing recent violence? The options are A. United Naga Council, B. Joint Tribes Council Manipur, C. Kukizo Council, D. Arambai Tengol. The correct answer is Joint Tribes Council Manipur. Explanation. The Joint Tribes Council Manipur imposed the restriction following recent violence and killings, ramping up pressure on the state government over community security. Friends, we have many videos about the state of Manipur. We have a playlist named Manipur. Click on the card shown above to find all the videos regarding the state. There are separate videos on history, geography, art and culture, sports, agriculture and irrigation, politics, current affairs, tourism and much more. Please watch all the videos by clicking on the card shown above and in the description. What contentious infrastructure project has fueled tension between the Kukizo Council and Naga groups in Manipur? The options are A. Trans-Manipur Expressway, B. German Tiger Road, C. Imphal-Mora Highway, D. India-Myanmar-Thailand Trilateral Highway. The correct answer is German Tiger Road. Explanation. The Kukizo Council's push for improved connectivity via the German Tiger Road has been met with strong opposition from Naga groups over territorial concerns. Which constitutional provision was invoked to impose President's rule in Manipur in February 2025? The options are A. Article 352, B. Article 356, C. Article 370, D. Article 371. The correct answer is Article 356. Explanation. Article 356 allows the President to assume direct control of a state when its government cannot function according to constitutional provisions. Which community makes up the majority in the Imphal Valley, which covers about 10% of Manipur's geographical area? The options are A. Naga, B. Kukizo, C. Meitei, D. Pangal. The correct answer is Meitei. Explanation. The Meitei community is predominantly Hindu and forms about 57% of the state's population, concentrated in the Imphal Valley. Friends, we have an ebook on Manipur General Knowledge. You can get the ebook by clicking on the link in the description. You can also get ebook on India General Knowledge. The links are in the description. On 21st March 2026, Chief Minister Yumnam Khemchand Singh held direct talks with which group for the first time in 3 years? The options are A. Naga student organizations, B. Kukizo representatives, C. Meitei civil society groups, D. Rajya Sabha members. The correct answer is Kukizo representatives. Explanation. The meeting marked the first direct dialogue between the state government and Kukizo representatives since the conflict began, with the CM describing the violence as rooted in miscommunication. Who is the current governor of Manipur? The options are A. La Ganesan, B. Ajay Kumar Bhalla, C. Anusuya Uike, D. Gurmeet Singh. The correct answer is Ajay Kumar Bhalla. Explanation. Ajay Kumar Bhalla, a former Union Home Secretary, has served as Manipur's governor and administered the oath of office to the new government. Who was appointed Home Minister of Manipur on 4th February 2026? The options are A. Thokchom Satyabrat Singh, B. Govindas Kontaujam, C. Losi Dikho, D. Alfred Kangam Arthur. The correct answer is Govindas Kontaujam. Explanation. Govindas Kontaujam, a 7-time MLA from Bishnupur, took charge as Manipur's Home, Sports and Youth Affairs Minister. On what date was President's rule revoked and the elected government restored in Manipur? The options are A. 13th February 2025, B. 4th February 2026, C. 21st March 2026, D. 5th July 2026. The correct answer is 4th February 2026. Explanation. The Ministry of Home Affairs revoked President's rule with immediate effect, and Yumnam Khemchand Singh was sworn in as CM the very next day. Which act granted Manipur full statehood in 1972? The options are A. States Reorganization Act, 1956, B. Government of Union Territories Act, 1963, C. Northeastern Areas Reorganization Act, 1971, D. Manipur Reorganization Act, 1980. The correct answer is C. Northeastern Areas Reorganization Act, 1971. Explanation. The Northeastern Areas Reorganization Act, 1971 provided the legal framework through which Manipur attained full statehood on 21 January 1972. Who is the Speaker of the Manipur Legislative Assembly as listed by the Assembly? The options are A. Yumnam Khemchand Singh, B. Thokchom Satyabrat Singh, C. Rohit Sapam, D. Okram I Bobi Singh. The correct answer is B. Thokchom Satyabrat Singh. Explanation. The official Manipur Legislative Assembly website lists Thokchom Satyabrat Singh as the Speaker. Who is the Deputy Chief Minister of Manipur responsible for rural development and Panchayati Raj, according to the current Council of Ministers? The options are A. Nemcha Kipgen, B. Losi Dikho, C. Kontaujam Govindas Singh, D. Khurajam Loken Singh. The correct answer is A. Nemcha Kipgen. Explanation. The Manipur Legislative Assembly lists Nemcha Kipgen as Deputy Chief Minister with responsibilities including rural development and Panchayati Raj and tribal affairs and hills. Which party has 5 members in the Manipur Legislative Assembly according to the current party position listing? The options are A. Indian National Congress only, B. Naga People's Front and Indian National Congress, C. BJP and NPP, D. Janata Dal, United, and NPF. The correct answer is B. Naga People's Front and Indian National Congress. Explanation. The Assembly's party position listing shows 5 members each for the Indian National Congress and the Naga People's Front. How many Assembly constituencies are reserved for scheduled tribes in Manipur? The options are A. 10, B. 15, C. 19, D. 25. The correct answer is C. 19. Explanation. The Election Commission's 2022 Assembly statistics list 40 general constituencies, 1 scheduled caste constituency, and 19 scheduled tribe constituencies, totaling 60. Who was the first Chief Minister of Manipur after it attained full statehood in 1972? The options are A. Marembam Koireng Singh, B. Muhammad Alimuddin, C. Yangmaso Shaija, D. R.K. Dorendra Singh. The correct answer is B. Muhammad Alimuddin. Explanation. Muhammad Alimuddin became the first Chief Minister of Manipur after the state attained full statehood in 1972. He represented Lilong. Who served as Chief Minister of Manipur for 3 consecutive full assembly terms from 2002 to 2017? The options are A. N. Biren Singh, B. Okram Ibobi Singh, C. Youngmaso Shaija, D. Muhammad Alimuddin. The correct answer is B. Okram Ibobi Singh. Explanation. Okram Ibobi Singh became Chief Minister in 2002 and was sworn in again in 2007 and 2012. He led the state for 15 years. Which political party does Yumnam Khemchand Singh belong to? The options are A. Indian National Congress, B. Bharatiya Janata Party, C. National People's Party, D. Naga People's Front. The correct answer is B. Bharatiya Janata Party. Explanation. Yumnam Khemchand Singh is a member of the Bharatiya Janata Party and represents Singajme. Who is the current Chief Minister of Manipur as of 2026? The options are A. N. Biren Singh, B. Okram Ibobi Singh, C. Yumnam Khemchand Singh, D. Thongam Biswajit Singh. The correct answer is C. Yumnam Khemchand Singh. Explanation. Yumnam Khemchand Singh is the Chief Minister of Manipur and represents the Singajme Assembly constituency. The Manipur Legislative Assembly lists him as the current Chief Minister. What is the total strength of the Manipur Legislative Assembly? The options are A. 40, B. 50, C. 60, D. 70. The correct answer is C. 60. Explanation. The Manipur Legislative Assembly has 60 seats. The Election Commission also lists 60 assembly constituencies in Manipur. How many questions did you answer correctly? Comment your score below. If you enjoyed this Manipur Politics Quiz, please like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more Manipur GK, politics, history, geography, art and culture quizzes. Keep learning, keep testing yourself, and see if you can score 100 in the next quiz.